Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into exciting rumors about the DJI Osmo Mobile 7 and DJI Osmo Mobile 7 Pro. If you're into mobile videography or just love tech gadgets, this news will surely pique your interest. First, let's talk about the DJI Osmo Mobile 7. This new gimbal is set to be the successor to the Osmo Mobile 6. It promises improved stabilization and performance, making your videos smoother and more professional looking. Whether you're filming your daily adventures or creating content for your social media, the Osmo Mobile 7 is designed to elevate your videography game. Improved stabilization means less shaky footage, allowing you to capture high-quality videos even while moving. Next, we have the DJI Osmo Mobile 7 Pro. This professional version is equipped with hardware-level subject tracking and a focus wheel. These features are perfect for professional use, providing greater control and precision in your shots. Hardware-level subject tracking ensures that your subject remains in focus, no matter how much movement there is. The focus wheel allows for manual adjustments, giving you the ability to fine-tune your focus for more cinematic shots. If you're a content creator or a filmmaker, the Osmo Mobile 7 Pro is tailored to meet your advanced needs. Both models are expected to integrate LiDAR technology for enhanced tracking. LiDAR technology improves the gimbal's ability to detect and follow subjects, resulting in more accurate and reliable tracking. This makes it easier to capture dynamic scenes, whether you're filming sports, wildlife, or just your everyday activities. DJI is targeting both general users and professionals with these models, ensuring there's something for everyone. The user-friendly design combined with professional features makes these gimbals versatile tools for any videographer. As for the launch details, specific release dates and pricing are yet to be announced. However, the anticipation is building, and tech enthusiasts are eagerly waiting for more information. The potential features and improvements have already generated a lot of excitement within the community, and many are looking forward to getting their hands on these new gimbals. In summary, the DJI Osmo Mobile 7 and DJI Osmo Mobile 7 Pro are set to bring exciting advancements in mobile videography. The improved stabilization, hardware-level subject tracking, and LiDAR technology make these gimbals a must-have for anyone serious about their video content. We'd love to hear your thoughts about these new gimbals and what features you're most excited about. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.